Hey there, I'm Judd, and I'm so excited to announce that on June 10th at 8 p.m., we will be hosting a live webinar. I'll be speaking about starting your very own asphalt maintenance company and all the do's and don'ts and the things that you need to do in order to scale your very own asphalt maintenance business. 22 years ago when I started in the business, I had no idea, no clue what I was doing. And over the years, of course, I developed a system and framework and knew what tools, how to do the proper sales door to door, how to present proposals, and everything I really needed to do to grow the hell out of my own asphalt maintenance company. I sold it years later, and then I was on a mission and have been on a mission to help people just like you grow your very own asphalt maintenance company to create the freedom that you're looking for. I've helped thousands of people over the years develop their very own asphalt maintenance company and be extremely successful. I invite you on June 10th, 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to come on to our live webinar at myasphaltbusiness.com. I look forward to meeting you and helping you grow your very own business.